Okay, si Raycon. I forgot about it like for 1 year. I stopped live streaming for 1 year because I was working. And then I realized I am earning more here. I don't really earn much. But I'm earning way better here than on my physical work. Plus it's really tiring there. Yeah. After a year actually for the, when I was still starting working, like a month or a week, I've already realized that it's just that I don't wanna resign yet. At first I was a customer service, and then I get promoted as customer service manager, and then they asked me if I want to be sales representative. And since I was really bored in the office, I wanted to go out. I wanted to work in the field, so I said yes. That's when I became sales representative. That's the story of my life. Story of my life. Hi, Gaku. Yeah. After being promoted as customer service manager, I became sales representative because it's really boring inside the office. That's when I became a sales representative. That's when I realized that I just want to work in the office. Oh my gosh, I'm really crazy. Hi, Gaku. You believe that? Yep, that's me. Oh, no. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But I'm happy now. I'm trying to gain followers again here on me. Yeah, it's just that I feel like it's really boring. That's when I decided to work in the field. Um, wait,